Where does the time go? I'm feeling blinded with no blindfold, playing this game of life with no console. I got no guidance of any sort, many thoughts. Think about my life, wishing for fame with no pennies tossed. Can't have that many losses, get it at any cost. Make it to the top without kissing the ass of any boss. Fuck retail, this B-Dale, the illest of my kind. Bring the flow to your ear just like some seashells. I mean, well, I promise. Shit, I just switched the topic. Think I'm going out my mind, thinking of going back to college. Thinking of making up, then ending up breaking up. Thinking of quitting my job, but how will I make enough? The stakes is up. It's the world against I. Rather than dropping new songs, I prefer to get high. Let's try to evaluate the situation. Radio stations always hindering the inspiration. At times I get impatient, but we'll just wait and see. Always try to stand out even if there is a vacancy. Blatant with my blatancy. Fuck this and fuck that. Now I stand alone cause even my ex couldn't take this me. I'm erasing these painful thoughts, avoiding obstacles. Holding back tears, my grandma's back up in the hospital. Shit, I need to find a way to escape, man. Cause all I see are hoes and some fake friends, and everything I do isn't good enough. Label saying that he just ain't hood enough. Until that day I'ma stay the realest, and fuck all of y'all opinions, cause all I hear is blah 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 blah. I'm not talking nonsense, man. I don't want blah blah. Fuck y'all, cause all I hear is blah.
This is Nina's microphone, y'all.
Blah blah
that fake friend shit.
Blah 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 blah.
Fuck y'all.
Shut the fuck up.
Caps nigga, AC nigga, ain't gang nigga, uppercase thugs nigga, what up? Dang.
Swag. Damn.